Okay, let's do a few examples on subtraction terms, and the minute end is missing. Find a general idea that always works to solve these kinds of problems. So we have blank minus 8 equals 7. How do I get that answer 7? What makes it that answer 7? What I can do is, to figure out the minute end, I can do is 8 plus 7, which is 15. I plug it in here as my new minute end. So as you can see, 15. So I have 15 minus 8 equals 7. So it works out really well. So all I did was do 8 plus 7 to figure out the minute end. So that gave me 15. So that's the final answer to this problem right here. Okay, let's go to our next one. We have the subtrahend is missing. Find a general idea that always works to solve these kinds of problems. So, solve this problem, in order to find the subtrahend, I would just do is 20 minus 12. And that would give me 8. So I plug in the new subtrahend 8. So 20 minus 8 is going to give me 12 as my final answer. So 8 is my final missing piece for the subtrahend. So it makes sense. So this is the final answer right here. Here we want to solve the problems, and you will need addition and subtraction. So we have a package of cheese that costs $6 and a package of $2 less. So how much do the two cost together? So we have a package of cheese that costs $6 and a package of ham that costs $2 less. So the cheese is $6 and the ham costs $2 less. So minus 2, which is the ham. So it's 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Now it wants to is asking us how much do they cost together. So the cheese is $6 and the ham, which we found out here because ham costs $2 less than cheese, which makes it now $4. Now $4, and we want to know the cost of the items together. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So the final total cost of the cheese and ham together is $10. So this is the final answer to this, $10. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here.